Local news for Friday the 18th of December. Wairarapa police are looking for the public's help in finding Finn Yates, a 20-year-old Karetan man who's gone missing from his home and was last seen on the morning of Tuesday the 15th of January. Finn is understood to be travelling in a silver Subaru Legacy 2006 station wagon, registration number JDR 615. After 3.5 years with Wairarapa DHB, Adri Isbister has resigned as CEO and accepted the role of Deputy Director General, Ministry of Health. Adri says, "While I have a mix of emotions as I move into this next chapter of my career, I'll be working nationally and strategically in an area that is important to me." Property values across the whole Wellington region rose 7.8% in the year to December, Carleton leading the growth in Wairarapa with a 9.9% increase. And 4 Wairarapa women will represent Central Hinds cricket side today in a one-off game against India at McLean Park in Napier. Esther Lancer, Monique Rees, Georgia Atkinson and Melissa Hanson have all been named in the wider squad.